Yeah. Okay, so how we doing? How we feeling about our resolutions? Huh? I know. You miss potatoes. I get it. Now surprisingly, there's only one other veggie out there that's keto friendly and it can stand up to the same cooking method as the potatoes, and that is jicama. So let's give it a try. Welcome to my kitchen. So jicama, or yam bean, is a root vegetable with Mexican roots. See what I did there? Now, though it doesn't have like that starchy softness that potatoes do, it does have a really mild flavor, kind of reminiscent of like raw green beans, but don't let that put you off because again, the flavor is really mild and it's keto friendly. So it's gonna be the base of our breakfast bowl. All right, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove that rough outer skin. So we're gonna start by cutting the top off and then the bottom. And then we're gonna cut this in half. And now on those cut ends, we're just gonna slice up just a little piece of the skin so that'll enable us to peel it off relatively easy. We're just gonna get all that skin removed. Now the wonderful thing is, in 1 cup serving of raw sliced jicama, it's only 5 grams of net carbs. Now that's not all. While it has that relatively low carb count, it still provides many key nutrients, including vitamin C, potassium, manganese, magnesium, iron, and folate. Now, to be honest, I don't know what folate is, but if it's a key nutrient, I guess we'll need it, right? And then once it's all been removed, then we're just gonna cut these into cubes. Now, I'm gonna place these into a bowl, and then we're gonna season these for baking. So first, we're gonna add some oil. Then to this, we're gonna add some garlic powder, some onion powder, and of course, SNP. All right, now we're just gonna give this all a good mix until everything is coated. And then we're just gonna arrange these on a greased baking sheet in 1 layer. And then these go into a 400-degree oven for about 25 to 30 minutes or until tender. Look at these, so potato-esque. And now let's just build a basic breakfast bowl. Triple B. Alright, so we're gonna start with the base, which is gonna be our jicama. Then on top of that, we're gonna add some sausage. Then some scrambled egg. Then some of our bacon. And of course, no breakfast bowl is complete without cheese. A very simple jicama breakfast bowl. And of course you can customize this to your tastes and how you'd like. But this is just a simple model. And there you have jicama deliciousness in a bowl. I hope you get inspiration from my kitchen. Like and subscribe to come back for more. And comment below if you're feeling jicama and if you're glad that we have some kind of substitute for potatoes, because potatoes out, we know. So let's bring jicama in. I mean, come on, it's low in carbs. It's actually kind of delicious. You know what? Moving on. You can connect with me on any of my social media listed below. Thank you bunches for being here, and I'll catch you back here for more deliciousness.